We're in a museum right now, so we'll keep it down. I got really something cool to share with you guys. This video, it's kind of exciting, and I can't wait to show you what's behind me. It all started about maybe a month and a half ago in the middle of filming High Sierra Diaries. So I came across this YouTube channel, Nick Carver, and it blew me away on something that I've been missing out on, and something you guys have been missing out on when we take these rides and we go on adventures. Now, I've told you guys in the past, you should always bring a camera, take pictures on these trips. When you get home, we always usually want to share them on Instagram, but Nick, he took it to a whole nother level. Actually, he's taken it old school on what we should be doing, and that is picking the right photo out of your collection, getting it printed, and then hanging it up so everybody can enjoy that moment you took the picture. I shouldn't say new way, because this has been around for a long time. It's just Nick's bringing it back.
Although I don't have exact footage of where I took the photo, but in this spot, me and Alex were heading on down into Bakersfield from up where Tehachapi was. And again, I think what makes this photo magic is I didn't realize it until I came home and looked at all my photos, and this one just stood out. But a mile or two past this location here, I just stopped real quick, pulled my camera out, and snapped this shot. Again, at first, I didn't really think anything of this photo, but as the weeks went on, something about it kept sticking out to me. You have the oak trees there on the left that are growing, and then right there on the right, there's just nothing. And then right about at the top right there, you could see the road as it curves around the bend. And with the 100-degree weather we had that day, everything just dried out and burnt to a crisp. You had Bakersfield down below that just had green fields and crops growing abundantly. To be honest, I did a bad job of documenting how it was all done, but the day I picked it up from the framer, it was pretty exciting.
This way you can walk up to these photos, appreciate them for what they are, look at them, and everything, all the sensory comes back. The way the wind was blowing, the temperature, the smell of the dead grass, the the cow manure that's dried up around you, that's hidden in the dead grass. I mean, this is a way that you can relive those memories on something that's hung on the wall for you to enjoy and the people around you. By the way, this is just my office. It's not a museum.